SuperSport is back, aimed at plugging the gap in Ducati's lineup missing since the model was discontinued back in 2006. The revival is positioned as a more accessible cousin of its Pentagon line, something you could take to the track on Saturday, to work on Sunday, and ride to work on Monday without significantly compromising comfort, performance, or the brand's MotoGP-inspired styling. That's a lot to ask out of one motorcycle. To find out how well the new SuperSport works in various riding situations, we took the model for a spin in Spain at the Circuito Montemondo and the country roads outside Seville. All 2017 SuperSport models get 37cc, 113 horsepower engine, and gear brakes, quick-shift technology, traction control, and 3 digitally calibrated riding motor. The standard model will hit the showroom floor in April with a base price of $12,995. For the track portion of our test, we focused on the $14,795 SuperSport S, which brings a fully adjustable set of volume shocks front and rear. The S also comes standard with the Ducati Quick-Shift D2X technology, a $289 upgrade to the standard SuperSport that allows for clutch-free gear changes. As we throttled the bike out of the pits, the SuperSport's first notable trait was its excellent low-end torque. 80% of the bike's torque is available at 3,000 revolutions per minute, and the bike surges up and forward with a braless and new twister right grip. The technical Circuito Montemondo course and my riding background created a good trial with the SuperSport's performance meets accessibility proposition. During the first track session, the bike was easy to ride, responsive and forgiving when my riding, braking and tight corners were definitely an opportunity. The SuperSport's anti-lock brakes, traction control, and nimble maneuverability help me correct the mistakes without any brake wobbles or embarrassing white line crossing. On the track straight I banged the Ducati through all 6 gears, finding more comfort over 130 miles per hour than anticipated. The motorcycle delivered an adrenaline-satisfying stream of power, while feeling safe and stable at high speed. In between track sessions, the SuperSport chief engineer, Giuseppe Capora, guided us through its impressive list of options. 3 different processors link the ABS, traction control, and engine settings, which can be easily adjusted through a button on the bar of the bike's digital